Good morning, class. In the previous lesson, we have learned about solar eclipse. The moon casts a shadow on Earth. The moon blocks the sun. The moon is always in the middle. The order: the sun, moon, and the earth. The word sol means sun, so the solar means of the sun. The shadow falls on the two parts, umbra and penumbra. During an eclipse, two shadows are cast. The first is called umbra. It is the dark center of the eclipse shadow. The second shadow is called the penumbra. The penumbra gets larger as it goes away from the sun. Types of solar eclipses. Depending on what part of the shadow you are located in, there are actually three types of eclipses. But in your book it's given only two, so we are going to do only two. First one is total eclipse. A total eclipse is when the sun is covered completely by the moon. A total eclipse occurs when the sun is completely covered by the moon. And a partial eclipse is when only a portion of the sun is blocked by the moon. A partial eclipse is when only a portion of the sun is blocked by the moon. So in today's lesson, children, we have learned about umbra and penumbra. The first is the dark center of the eclipse shadow, that is known as umbra. The second shadow is called penumbra. The penumbra gets larger as it goes away from the sun. And we have also come to know about two types of eclipse. First one is total or total eclipse is where sun is completely covered by the moon. A partial eclipse is when only a portion of sun is blocked by the moon. Now children, always remember that don't look at a solar eclipse. We should warn you here to never look directly at a solar eclipse. Even though it appears darker, the harmful rays of the sun can still damage your eyes. So avoid staring at the sun when you have a solar eclipse. Now, today's assignment: what is umbra and penumbra? What is total and partial eclipse? Draw a level diagram of a solar eclipse. So children, this is all we'll be learning for today. So, partial eclipse, total eclipse, umbra and penumbra.